Ise-Shima. Nippon Steel has started nurturing sea forests. Here in Funakoshi Beach, with many amateur divers free-diving for their catch. However, due to sea desertification in recent years, the region is now losing these traces of its glory. For the past 3 years, I haven't been able to catch even a single abalone. It's definitely because the seaweed has disappeared. Seaweed is what abalone feed on. Sea desertification is believed to progress when seaweed growth is inhibited by multiple overlapping environmental changes. If the decline of seaweed beds continues, the role of blue carbon, the process by which seaweed and other marine organisms fix carbon in the ocean, will weaken. This trend is raising concerns about impacts on global climate change and ecosystems. This is Sea Laboratory, a marine environment simulator. Nippon Steel has developed the Vivery unit, which uses steel slag, a byproduct of the steelmaking process, to provide nutrients to the sea. Steel slag contains iron, which seaweed needs to grow. To make that iron slowly dissolve into the seawater, we mix the slag with humic substances made from thin timber. We call that mixture a Vivery unit. Using Vivery units, we are advancing the UMIMORI Project nationwide, a demonstration initiative to restore seaweed beds. The project has expanded to Tomari Village, Hokkaido, and Onagawa Town in Mie Prefecture, and now to Ise-Shima. First, the beach is excavated and bags filled with Vivery units are buried. Iron seeping from the buried bags spreads offshore, carried by the waves. Additionally, Vivery rocks, artificial stones using steel slag, are submerged in the sea to serve as habitats for seaweed and small marine organisms. 2 years since the installation, approximately 3,400 seaweed plants have begun growing in the surrounding area. This year we're already seeing remarkable results, and when I actually saw it myself, I was really surprised. If the recovery of seaweed beds continues smoothly, we plan to further increase these core seaweed beds. Our dream is to restore these waters to a fertile sea once again. The power of steel is beginning to cultivate forests in the sea. Cultivating sea forests through the power of steel.